siellä. Tällainen Konen novel.
Myyrmanni shopping centerin Myyrmäki Vantaa. Nobody's using it, I guess.
Yeah. The other has got a frequency changer, but other resorts show. It's going down. But we can be an amazing floor indicator.
Yeah.
It has been. It has got new floor numbering also for floor indicator. Unfortunately.
Yeah, I remember when I watched the video of this one from 2015. It had KNP.
Yeah.
When was the floor numbering changed?
No, it was. I guess the Retos got new floor numbering before 2015, but this had old numbering for some reason.
No China.
Yeah.
New lights.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's quite unusual now.
Yeah.
Strange, but it's quite nice that it has the lights. But in 1993, age 67397.
1993, numero 67397. Täälläkin on tietynlainen haju.
It's not so bad.
Yeah.
A little bit different.
Kahteen kertaan sama.
This one has stainless steel cap.
Yeah, but it's not bad with novel fixtures.
Of course not. The novel is like the prototype of the Kone design.
Yeah.
It really looks like it. It's very modern.
Yeah.
Klassikkolattia ja seinissä 3.
All novels have those drawing ones.
Okay.
Every novel, except the modernized ones. Inspected by Kiva Inspector and Myyrmäki. As we can see, the floor numbering has been changed and the buttons -1 and 0 are quite different.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
This has to be an epic name.
Yeah.
I wonder how many elevators we have filmed today. At least 20.
Yeah. It also has new controller.
Yeah, and new lights
Yeah.
as of 2018. I think that there wasn't LEDs before
Yeah.
2000, or like in 2015.
Yeah.
These are good. But the electric ones,
Sellainen. Hei.
That's it.
yes.